Hi. It's saying. Oh yeah. You menso me ho ye. Me din di yaw na me ma wo akwa baba Akan adesua bia ha. If you have plans of visiting Ghana anytime soon, the 25 phrases to be covered in this lesson will prove useful. Coming right up. Welcome back. And on that welcoming note, let's start with akwaba. 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 So you've probably heard that Ghanaians are hospitable, right? So you wait till you start hearing akwaba, memawo akwaba, yemawo akwaba at every turn, all right? And then you tell me about it. The second one is say, saying. It's saying. It's saying. Oh, it's saying. It's saying, all right? And there are other ways of asking the same thing. We covered those in our previous lesson. But for this lesson, we are looking at just one. It's saying. It's saying, all right? It's saying. And to answer the previous question, you can go with me ho ye. Me ho ye. Me ho ye. Me ho ye. Okay? The next one is medase. 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 Okay? And you know that this is the short form. The long form is medawo ase. Medawo ase. Medawo ase. Alright? By normal speech, you hear more of the short form medase. 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 The next one is another very common phrase. You will hear this a lot. Okay? And that is mepa wocheo. Mepa wocheo. Mepa wocheo, the long form, and the short form mepa cheo. Mepa cheo. Mepa cheo. Okay? So if you tend to include this a lot in your speech, you are considered polite, which is valued in Ghana, and also considered to be a very good speaker. Okay? So mepa cheo, medindia. Mepa cheo, what's it saying? Mepa cheo, where ye? And then we have kose. 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 Or Khafre. 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 Oh, kose mansheda. Khafre mansheda. Kose. Khafre. The next one on our list is ane. 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 Where did he? Ane. Where did he? The next one is Debbie. 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 And mind you, we say Debbie, but the A is just one. Okay? So it's not the A but E. It's the A but E. Okay? So this is similar to a word like asase. So in asase, we say asase, but we write ase e, not ase e. Okay? The next one is woofrihe. 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 Okay? Woofrihe. Woofrihe. And you can answer that with me free. Okay? Me free. And then you add the place that you are from. Okay? So you can say me free America. Okay? Me free UK. What's a brofo? What's a brofo? What's a brofo? Or what's a poto kasa? What's a poto kasa? What's a poto kasa? Alright? So we have what's a brofo? What's a brofo? Or what's a poto kasa? What's a poto kasa? Woka brofo. Woka brofo. Woka brofo. Or Woka poto kasa. Woka poto kasa. Woka poto kasa. Alright? The next one is Sen na yeka dash wachimu. Okay? Sen na yeka dash wachimu. Okay? So we use this to ask for the chi names of stuff. Alright? So you can go like Sen na yeka pen wachimu. Okay? Sen na yeka pen wachimu. Okay? Sen na yeka house wachimu. Sen na yeka house wachimu. Okay? And if you ask that and you're not getting the sounds right, you could say chre mame. Chre mame. Chre mame. Or me power tell chre mame. Me power tell chre mame. Alright? The next one is mensaka. 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 And this may seem quite strange to some of you, but this is some sort of etiquette that is observed in Ghana. Alright? So if you're about to eat or you are eating and there's somebody around or somebody just walks in, you go like mensaka. 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 Or me power chow mensaka. Me power chow mensaka. Okay? And by this you are extending an invitation to the person to eat with you. Okay? And when we say that, we don't necessarily require you or even expect you to join us to eat the food. It's sort of just a polite call. Alright? But if you went your way to actually join us to eat the food, then you will make us very happy. The next one is Mayera. Mayera. Me power chow Mayera. Me power chow Mayera. Okay? So you can go like Ube to me achre me ho. Ube to me achre me ho. Me power chow ube to me achre me ho. Ube to me achre me ho. Ube to me achre me ho. Or ube to me akochre me ho. 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 Alright? Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Ekom deme. Alright? Me home fame. Me home fame. Me home fame. Ejanan biano wohe. Ejanan biano wohe. Ejanan biano wohe. Ejanan biano wohe. Okay? Oh, me shishe. Me shishe. Me shishe. Me shishe. Okay, so you add whatever it is that you are looking for to this. Me shishe. So you can say me shishe kofi. Me shishe ama. Me shishe yao. Here I am. And the next one is ayaresa biano wohe. Ayaresa biano wohe. Ayaresa biano wohe. Ayaresa biano wohe. Okay. Me power chow ayaresa biano wohe. Me power chow ayaresa biano wohe. Me power chow ayaresa biano wohe. The next one is buame. 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 Me power chow buame. Me power chow buame. Or mihia womua. Mihia womua. Mihia womua. Me power chow mihia womua. Me power chow mihia womua. Buame. The last one on our list is nante ye. Nante ye. Nante ye. Okay? And the literal meaning of this is walk well. Alright? So we use this when somebody is departing from like the current location, maybe traveling or going back to wherever they came from. then you say nante, ye. Nante, ye. Okay. All right then. I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did find it useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you next time.